People in Delhi remember it more as Shah Rukh Khan's alma mater.
Exactly. Welcome to Lumira Nova. You have such a big heart, Sanjay. I'm so proud of you and for everything that you do.
Thank you. Directly or indirectly, it has taught me the various aspects relating to compassion, sharing, caring.
Opening your heart.
तो हम ये सोचते हैं, if the God has given us something, if we can do something for the others, and specifically to the needy students.
Without family support, I wouldn't reach anywhere.
I agree, and we are going to dive more into that.
Okay.
Let's get Sanjay also
Okay.
to talk
Okay,
about it.
yeah.
You ready? A big hello to everyone. Welcome to Lumira Nova, a space that explores transformative journeys of people who have reinvented their lives and have sparked a change in other people's lives. I'm Pooja Singh Johan, your host, and today I am absolutely delighted to have a dynamic leader, Dr. Sanjay Sharma, the Honorary Director of the National Institute of HRD and Advancement, a renowned legal consultant, a management consultant, and I cannot wait to dive into his life journey and see what he's all about. Hello, Sanjay. It's so lovely to have you today.
Same at this end.
Such an honor. I should say it's such an honor.
No, it's my privilege that I'm there with you.
Oh, that's amazing. I love this.
Thanks, Etan, for having me here with you. It's really a prerogative for.
I love to hear that.
Yeah.
Thank you. Sanjay, you are a lawyer. You are also a leadership trainer. तो ये दोनों roles आप कैसे manage करते हो, कैसे embrace करते हो? Like, what is the secret?
No specific secret is there. Now it has become a way of life. For the past more than 35 years, I'm in this legal profession.
Right.
And it is about 3 decades that I am also involved in the training part also.
Right.
And it was merely because of my passion that I wanted to be involved with people. If by sharing few thoughts, my knowledge, if those could be helpful in improvement towards their personal life, professional life, I feel very happy, delighted, and personally also it helps me to improve myself.
Oh, so it's both ways, is it?
Yeah, it is. It is.
Wow,
It helps me personally also.
That's lovely. वो तो उसके बारे में हम बाद में पूछेंगे.
Because क्या रहता है? In the legal side, when we say as a lawyer, most of the time our approach is that we are finding fault in others.
Correct.
But while you are there as a behavioral consultant, we always stress more upon empathy. We always think from the other side. That is, and like, I may be selfish, but it personally also, it has helped me a lot.
That's really amazing. I cannot wait to hear about that. But आपका motivation क्या रहा है? Like, where did it all begin?
If I say, where did it all begin? Then I'll say, all credit goes to my guru, my guide, my father, who is not here physically today.
Right.
Somewhere he is there, but his guidance was always there. And he always used to say, if you can create even a niche, even if you are able to create some change, I think that will really make your life worthwhile.
So this is the early influence actually which has pushed you and shaped you into becoming who you are today.
It was. Even when I joined the legal profession, I say it was because of him. Looking at him, just the way he was working, I don't know, like nobody told me, but the way I was. Plus, he was a gem of a person.
Wow.
His name was Rajkumar, and actually people say that he was living like a Prince Rajkumar.
Lovely.
And basically the values I just imbibed from him, he always used to say, become a good human being. If you are able to create some kind of difference in someone's life, go ahead. If God has given you some knowledge, try to share it. It started from legal side, but then when I joined Neha as a behavioral consultant, I could see that it has helped me personally too.
Lovely.
In my personal life.
That's amazing. That's incredible. Really incredible, you know. So I think it's the legacy of your father now that you are carrying forward and inspiring others.
Just legal side, I say
Hmm.
the legacy, because being is the son following the footstep of his father, though it was one of the toughest thing also.
Wow.
मैंने जितनी झाड़ उनसे खाई है when I joined the profession, जितनी मुझे डांट
सुनना है इसके बारे में.
जितनी मुझे डांट पड़ी है when I joined the profession, but later on,
Yes.
after number of years, then I was able to think it was only a father who could have,
That's true.
because all those tricks, all those things which I learned from him, that was like nobody could have done.
I agree.
And like now, after number of years, I could feel why he was behaving.
Now you understand.
Yes, and all credit. Wherever I am, though I always say I am still on the ground, but wherever I am, I say it is just because.
Oh, lovely. And I hope he's listening to you today from somewhere
Right.
up there, and all the blessings are on you because of him.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Right.
Sanjay, you have led training of some major organizations, DRDO, ho gaya, Indian Oil. I don't know which other ones you were talking about. I think.
Like there are a number of organizations are there, like Delhi Development Authority. Then it is NTPC Limited,
Right.
GAIL India Limited are there. Then Indraprastha Gas Limited is there. Then even I was invited to give a couple of sessions for National Academy of Direct Taxes, where all that was meant for all those income tax officers were there. Then even for the associate professors, assistant professors of University, Delhi Technological University, that was there. And these are the part and parcel, like every now and then when you get an invitation, I always feel it. If I'm able to share some kind of thoughts, knowledge with the participants, nothing better than
It's very rewarding, isn't it, for you?
rewarding. Look, training, I will not say that training is meant merely for that classroom or conference room. I personally feel it is the impact, the real impact. If training can bring some kind of change in the perspective of the participants. Say, for example, if a participant is able to take 1 out of the 10 thoughts which we have shared,
Right.
they feel our job has been done.
It's true. How do you get that evidence of that then, Sanjay?
Like later on,
Huh.
I always say to everyone, in case you feel any kind of assistance, any kind of doubt, feel free. Because training, I never go with a classroom training. I firmly believe when you are having these kind of soft skills, skill enhancing training programs, these should be more of the interactive sessions.
That I have seen in your sessions.
So, because the jitne bhi participants hai, who are having the work experience of 15 years, 20 years, 25 years, like that, and making them just to listen to you, it will not solve any problem.
It's a very traditional method, na, Sanjay?
Involve them.
Huh.
Involve them. Because अगर कहा जाए टेक्निकल आपके पास अगर नॉलेज है, टेक्निकल नॉलेज कैन ब्रिंग यू, कैन मेक you to have any kind of job.
Correct.
But ultimately, it is a knowledge of your emotional awareness, your competency with regard to work with the people in a cohesive manner, how to deal with the various aspects, if we say, with regard to stress, anger, conflict, which are actually inevitable,
Correct.
which are totally unavoidable,
Right.
how to deal with it. And also, if a person is able to learn, work with people rather than through the people. Difference is here. Work with people and through the people. I think in these aspects, these people are able to learn. And I try to give these kind of learning in a very informal chit chat by giving the day-to-day example.
I've seen you give a lot of examples with stories. You know what I love most about you? The storytelling part.
And this storytelling, like,
It's very relatable.
and right,
Yeah.
go ahead with the real life examples. Whatever has happened to you or to your known ones.
Yes.
And people can straight away relate.
Of course.
And in case some negative stories are also there, never disclose the name of the character at that time. Let it be open. Let the people guess about.
Right. Open to interpretation.
Yes,
Not-
because in the present times, social media is so prevalent. Everyone is aware of किसके साथ क्या हो रहा है.
That's true.
That's
true. How lovely. That is the rewarding part, actually.
Thank you. Sir.
First, love it, Sanjay.
Thank you.
So, Sanjay, you have such an impressive portfolio, if you ask me. You know, like a unique mix of degrees. You were a topper at NLB University में. फिर आपके पास Masters of Business Administration आपने किया हुआ है. Doctorate in HR है. And I think there's also Masters in Law.
Yes.
That's just incredible for one person, you know. How does it help you in your training programs?
It really helps me.
Like, tell me how.
Look, if I say a person from the legal background, law provides me to look at a thing analytically, logically, with the fairness.
Okay.
But if I see from the business administration side, or if I say from the management parlance side, when I say I have to engage with people, I have to motivate people, I have to see that all these skills. The fact is, law or the business administration, these all lines are interconnected. These are not different.
Right.
These are interconnected. And rather, it helps me a lot while I'm doing various kind of training sessions. Number of legal enactments are there which are quite useful in the present day. Like, for example, if you permit me,
Of course.
like nowadays, RTI, sometimes people say it is acting as a menace. Right to Information Act. It's a legal enactment. POSH is there, sexual harassment at workplace with the women.
Yes.
That act is there, legal enactment is there. Then POXO is there.
Correct.
So when I am using my legal knowledge, these knowledge towards these acts, I'm able to effectively connect it in my training session.
Of course. Of course.
That is there.
Yeah, because this is so much required in today's day and age. And you come with all that, you know, expertise of yours. Helps your training
Thank you very much. If you are using the word expertise,
Yeah.
I still say I'm learner. And daily I am learning. I learn it from people like you. I learn it from my daughter, learn it from my wife, learn it from my mother, learn it from my friends. Even at this juncture, when you are smiling, I am learning it from that also. How to keep the other person, yes, with you, looking at you, be humble, and reply.
This is what I love about you. But आप बहुत acknowledge करते हो. Like you give a lot of acknowledgement and credit to other people as well.
I think one should.
One should.
One should. And in like what we all were being taught, gratitude or shukrana.
Correct.
Shukrana should be there to that Almighty as well as to your elders. But I personally feel the person who is serving you today,
Wow.
you should be thankful to him or her also.
I agree.
छोटी छोटी सी चीजें होती है, अगर हम उनकी तरफ ध्यान देते हैं, rather those people will be able to do more work
Yeah.
जो उनके लिए है उससे ज्यादा काम शायद वो करके दे.
They want to also then give back.
Yes,
You know, when you acknowledge them, when you acknowledge little things.
I feel like specifically with your employees, with the people like if you call them by their first name, if you just welcome them with the greetings.
Right.
छोटी छोटी सी भी बात है, अगर आपने सिर्फ यही कह दिया लक्ष्मी ठीक ठाक हो, परिवार में सब ठीक है, आपने अपना काम कर दिया है.
बिल्कुल.
दूसरा इंसान अपने काम से ज्यादा काम करके जाए और कुछ एक्स्ट्रा ही करके जाए.
Yes, correct.
It makes you also like one should be humble. I personally feel. Though
Speaking about humble,
Huh?
you do a lot of outreach programs for the, you know, underprivileged. And I would say people from humble backgrounds. I
Yes.
like to use the word. आप भी use नहीं करते हो underprivileged. आप always बोलते हो that you prefer using the word humble backgrounds.
very
तो आपके उसमें आएंगे हम. We'll dive into that. But before that, I want to ask you about these various articles you have written on behavioral skills. What was that about?
look, writing various articles, it was actually by passion
Right.
to bring my views, thoughts, knowledge in order to share with others, merely with the sole view, क्या ये कुछ चेंज ला सकते हैं, और अगर कुछ चेंज ला सकते हैं, छोटा हो या बड़ा हो, towards the organizational effectiveness, towards the well-being of the person, I feel it will be great. And luckily, fortunately, with his blessings,
Yes.
अभी तक वो articles appreciate किए जाते हैं. Even you have read a couple of articles.
Yes. So these are behaviors in organizations or does it apply, like, does it have a wider audience, like it's for family behaviors or interpersonal skills? Like, what exactly have you focused?
When we say behavioral skills or soft skills, it is like I always say, there are two kinds of skills are there. One are technical skills.
Okay.
Those are important. I am not saying those are not important. Those are important. Technical skills, as I earlier also said, that can bring you, that can take you to a particular job, that can give you a job. Yes,
Skills related.
technical skills.
Right.
But ultimately, in case you wanted to go to the hierarchy, it is your behavioral skills which matter,
Okay.
which may be team building,
Hmm.
which may be leadership skills, which may be how to manage and cope with anger, stress, which is daily basis. It happens.
Exactly.
अगर कोई इंसान कहता है गुस्सा नहीं आना चाहिए, I think he's saying utter lie. It is a part and parcel of life, but how to manage it? That is it.
Yes, I'm going to ask more tips on that because it's a very trending, I would say, subject these days.
It is. It is.
Anger, stress,
It is.
all of that. We'll dive into that. But yeah, those articles are really impressive. So, Sanjay, coming to organizations, my question to you is, what are the ingredients of a positive work culture?
Look, for positive work culture, if I say, कोई ऐसे घुट्टी नहीं है कि जिसको हमने कुछ डाला, मिलाया, पिया, and the work culture has converted into a positive. देखो magic formula नहीं है, but it all comes from the positive thoughts.
Okay.
And when we say the work culture is made of the ethos and ethics. Ethos of the organization and the ethics, which are basically those professional or business ethics which are there. When we say honesty, transparency, accountability, all these aspects, loyalty, these all aspects are there which helps in building the ethics.
Right.
And when we say positive work culture, yes, positive work culture is there because of the people who are working in the organization, if they are able to have the positive thoughts as well as certain approach by thinking about that this organization is not the place from where they are earning, but this is their mother organization.
Lovely.
Like some people may laugh, but I always say, look, you are having two mothers. एक माँ वो है जिसने तुम्हें पैदा किया है, दूसरी माँ वो है जिसने तुम्हें रोटी, कपड़ा और मकान दिया है. These two aspects are there. The way you think about your mother, the way you respect your mother, similarly, it is actually in our hands to make or mar the image of our organization. Like I always ask my participants, just tell me, minus the name of your organization, what is your identity?
Sure.
Or maybe your mother-in-law has given her daughter to you because you are working in this organization. That is also, that can also. So positive work culture to a major extent depends upon the people who are working in the organization.
It's easier said than done, no, Sanjay?
It may be.
How do you cultivate these positive?
Like there are certain steps are there, certain aspects are there. Like when I say look positively, why we are finding fault in others? We have to think from the other side also. छोटे से example है. For example, can you take this cup?
Yes, please.
अगर this is a cup, मेरे हाथ से ये cup छूटता है, but if the same thing is being done by my maid, हम कभी नहीं कहते उसे छूट गया, हम कहते हैं उसने तोड़ दिया.
So true. So true.
This is like we are
Very biased, na?
We are eating all kind of foods. अच्छे से अच्छा खाना खाते हैं, लेकिन उसके बाद भी हम क्या कहते हैं, पैंट छोटी हो गई है. अरे पैंट छोटी हो गई है या हमारा जो है हमारे जो बॉडी का है ना वो क्या. So we are always finding fault in that aspects we have to get rid of.
Correct.
Plus dilatory tactics. That has to be happening.
What is that?
टाल मटोल की भावना. We always think about कल करेंगे, परसों करेंगे. Procrastination when we say. We should avoid procrastination.
तो उससे positive behavior का क्या connection है?
Like whenever we are delaying it, whenever we are just thinking about tomorrow we'll do, we are not having control upon tomorrow.
That's true.
We are not able to have, like whatever work is there, we should try to do at once, at the earliest. Certain aspects we have to. that I factor, मैं factor. We are in the organizations, we are working as a team.
Right.
But if we are thinking as I, me, तो आदमी को वो उल्टी तरफ लेके जाता है.
There has
Like-
to be a collaboration.
That collaboration, cohesiveness, that will help you, that will really help for any organization to prosper. मिलजुल के ही काम होता है. किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में अकेले काम नहीं होता. इवन विद द होम ऑल्सो.
That's true.
अगर husband wife nowadays, ठीक है, the other day like I recall the brother was saying about people say double income single child, this then say double income no child, then they say double income no child, but even then the people are not happy, families are not happy. Why so? Because मैं तो पैसा कमाता हूँ, बाहर जा रहा हूँ, अरे वाइफ भी तो कमाती है. अगर वो आप एक्सपेक्ट करते हो आके खाना बनाए, आप छोटा छोटा सा काम कुछ घर में कर दो.
Right.
थोड़ा सा आपको सिर्फ साथ में सपोर्ट करना. इट इज बेसिकली योर स्मॉल सपोर्ट इन दैट साइड, एंड आई थिंक यू आर गोइंग टू हैव ए हेल्दी, गुड, हैप्पी फैमिली लाइफ.
And that influences your work culture also. If you're a happy person.
Yes, I fully agree to that. If you are happy in the personal front, professional front, you will be able to contribute much more than that.
ये आपने ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम में भी बताया था कल.
Yes, I am happy that you remember it.
I remember lots of things.
And vice versa too. Vice versa too. If I am happy at the professional front, personal family life be achieved. It is interconnected.
Correct.
It is interconnected. Plus, आप जितने मर्जी बिजी हो, मेरा अपना ये मानना है, like my friends, even you are well aware of the fact.
Yes.
Howsoever you are busy or occupied, busy word I never use. Howsoever you are occupied, try to spend some time with your family. You would be fortunate if you are living with your aged parents.
Absolute.
You would be fortunate. आप आके उनके साथ 5 मिनट बैठो, उसके बाद देखो आपको कितनी blessings मिलती. These small things nowadays people don't remember.
Yes.
किसी के जाने के बाद उसकी क्रिमेशन पे या प्रेयर सर्विस में तो चले जाएंगे, लेकिन जब वो इंसान है उससे मिलने के लिए हमारे पास 5 मिनट भी नहीं.
Even quite.
This aspect a person should remember. Try to meet your loved ones.
Yes.
ये वाला जो है.
I know the significance of family is just something else.
Yes.
But I will speak about it again with you. But अभी मेरा दूसरा है जो बहुत ही, जैसे आजकल आप ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में देखो, फैमिलीज में, कहीं पे भी देखो, स्कूल्स में देखो, बच्चों में देखो, तनाव बहुत. There's a lot of stress.
Yes.
And yesterday also at the training program, you gave a lot of nice tips on stress. जो मुझे एक बात बहुत ही बात अच्छी, इंटरेस्टिंग लगी थी. कोई एक स्वीडिश मेथड आपने बताया था.
I'm happy
That.
you remember that.
Yes, of course, I recall.
This is Lagom approach. Lagom. Lagom approach. It is a Swedish concept
Okay.
which speaks about ना कम ना ज्यादा, contentment होनी जरूरी है लाइफ में. Whereas we people are just running from pillar to post. आज मेरे पास एक घर है,
हाँ.
कल मुझे 2 चाहिए, 4 चाहिए, गाड़ी 1 है, 2 है, 4 है. जितनी जरूरत है आदमी को उतना है. Like they started with it, like if you go for a coffee,
हाँ.
like as we were having the coffee,
Yes.
and just few minutes back your maid asked me कि भैया कितनी चीनी चाहिए, कितना शक्कर चाहिए.
Right.
I said just half spoon.
हाँ.
ज्यादा हो जाएगा तो कड़वा हो जाएगा, कम होगा तो स्वाद नहीं आएगा. Similarly in the life, Lagom approach says whatever is required in your life, there's a difference, needs and desire
And greed.
and greed. Needs can be met, but desire, there's no limit.
There's no limit.
There's no limit. So this Lagom aspect, and specifically after this Corona time, thus after this second wave, which was there, we have seen it,
Yes.
how badly it has affected everyone. उस टाइम पे लोगों में ये अप्रोच ज्यादा आनी स्टार्ट हुई है, this Lagom approach.
People are applying these methods.
At least few of my friends, they are trying. And even I will just say,
You
I'm
apply it
trying.
yourself.
I try.
Yeah.
I try. Like everybody says, why you should go there, you should go there. The contentment एक होनी जरूरी.
But you have to train your mind for that kind
Yes.
of mental
Right?
Ka-
If you are having a peace in your mind,
हाँ,
then you are happy.
contentment is there.
Yes. आपको अदरवाइज आपकी ख्वाहिशों की कमी नहीं होगी, आपको हर चीज चाहिए. But if you are having a happy family, if you are contented with what you are there, that इतना होना चाहिए कि किसी के आगे आपको हाथ नहीं पा सकते. बस ये सब.
Yes.
That is the motto of my life. This is like to a major extent. If I say on these aspects, if I'm able to do it, courtesy to the values inculcated from my family, from my parents, as well as the path shown by the Congregation of Jesus and Mary Society. I was telling to you also that I belong.
Yes.
I'm closely like associated with them. Their motto is to serve with love.
Can you speak a little bit more about the school that you're involved with, outreach programs, and how do you help children
Look,
that?
yes, there are these two schools are there in Delhi, Convent of Jesus and Mary,
Right.
as well as Chris Raja Secondary School. The second one, Chris Raja Secondary School, belongs to all those children who girl students are there who belong to the humble background.
Right.
As few minutes back we were just talking about. And Convent of Jesus Mary, yes, that is a school which is there in existence since 1990.
Wow.
तो आज अगर मैं कहता हूँ this is 107 years old institution. I am associated with this
1890?
1990. 1919.
Acha. Okay.
1919.
Right.
So it is 107 years old.
Okay.
So it is 107 years old. And I am associated with this institution for the past 25 years, 2000 or 2001.
Right.
And directly or indirectly, it has taught me the various aspects relating to compassion, sharing, caring.
Opening your heart.
तो हम ये सोचते हैं, if the God has given us something, if we can do something for the others, and specifically to the needy students.
True.
And more than that, specifically to the girl student. तो मतलब कुछ भी कहें, I personally feel it is a high time, it is our moral responsibility if I am able to have good education courtesy to my parents.
Yes.
Good life courtesy to my parents. It is high time that I should pay back to the society.
How lovely.
और गर्ल स्टूडेंट्स के लिए तो मेरा अपना मानना है, you impart, if you are instrumental in providing any kind of assistance, education, if you are instrumental in help them, the fact is it will really help you personally also.
Yes.
Contentment is here. और एक किसी ने कहा था, I don't recall specifically, if you provide education to a boy, you are providing education to one person. But if you are providing education to a girl, you are actually providing education to the entire family
Family and then the nation.
and to the nation.
Absolutely.
And it is my way of thoughts. Other persons may differ, but it is my way of
You
thinking.
have such a big heart,
It's my way just to
to give back.
give
To
back.
give back.
Give back.
Not just take. Don't be just a
And I say specifically even those sisters, those teachers, those principals, they are aware of the fact. I say specifically to these girls from this humble background, those are from the privileged side who are there, I'm always there, and that is like a third baby too.
Oh, lovely.
But as long as God is there, if I'm able to do, I'm always there.
Yes. And what about the projects and the outreach programs?
Various outreach initiatives we do, like for this, all these girl students, like we take care of the medical health camp.
And medical camps you do.
Medical camps are being arranged where we take the assistance of all the renowned doctors, and I'm also grateful to all those doctors.
Yes.
The fact is, at a call, they are always there, and they are always coming there, working, doing this thing pro bono, without charging anything. They are always there to for these girl students. It may be like if they are known to me,
Yes.
they are good friend of mine. That is one aspect.
Yes.
But again, sharing their medical expertise and providing all those knowledge to these students, that is. Then we are having the workshop with regard to the menstrual hygiene also, specifically to the students. वो सभी लड़कियां जो तकरीबन 13, 14, 15 साल की हैं, उनके लिए हम रेगुलर वर्कशॉप्स भी अरेंज करते हैं. That is yeah. Then yes, because as these are convent institutions, so at the time of Christmas, we always say that they should feel pampered,
Yes.
make happy. We provide food. We have a fun-filled times. Apart from that,
Have a celebration.
good celebration. We always try to say,
Right.
help us. I always say teachers, all those are there, but we should take care of those helpers also.
You have such a big heart.
Oh, well,
Proud of you and everything that you do.
thank you, thank you, thank you. It's like, you say, beauty lies in the eyes of beholder. आपको अच्छा लग रहा है, that's why you are able to say like that.
Yeah. But it's really lovely.
Thank you. Thanks.
Sanjay, your childhood, what was it like growing up in New Delhi, right? कैसा था उस समय का न्यू दिल्ली? संजय शर्मा क्या कर रहे थे तब?
Childhood, if I say childhood, actually, my childhood, if I say, I was born and brought up in a joint family.
Okay.
Under one roof, we were staying, 11 members were there. It's a joint family. My grandmother.
This was very common now back in the days.
Yes, it was there. And we never felt like the fact is, we were staying in a joint family
Yeah.
where we were always being taught the various kinds of values of sharing and caring.
Yeah.
तेरा मेरा कुछ नहीं होता था, सबका वो एक common रहा.
हमारा.
That was.
Right.
The feeling of we were there, I factor नहीं होता था. The feeling of brother and sisters होता था, cousins का तो concept ही नहीं होता था.
So,
That was there.
that's a Western concept, no?
That was there. वो मेरा cousin है, ये मेरा भाई है. Like I know. You have seen my wife. She says after immediately when we were engaged, before that you had said like I'm having one of my Tayaji, one of my Bua. But like immediately after I got engaged, lot of masis and lot of chachis and chachas were there. How it is there? Those all are friends. But if you just tell them instead of uncle and auntie, chacha and chachi, it gives some more closeness with it.
That's right.
That was. But yes, that was a time, and still I cherish that particular time. Still I cherish those particular moments. We were not staying in the hotels at that time. We were staying with our relatives who were staying in the different places, in the different cities right at that moment. Nowadays, even if the relatives are staying there, even our children will say, or everywhere it is there, let's stay in the hotel.
Exactly, that culture.
That culture has changed.
That culture has changed. वो बात नहीं रही अब.
I see, like I say, I was fortunate. If I was able to share room with my grandmother for 27 years, I was sharing the room.
How lovely you did.
Yeah, and rather, to a major extent, it helped me with the listening skills.
Oh. She
क्योंकि
spoke
बड़े-
Punjabi?
She spoke Punjabi. She was always speaking Punjabi, and with her also, even if I'm speaking Hindi or English, but when I was with her, automatically Punjabi was there.
Of course,
Uh,
of course.
yeah.
Lovely. And mother and father का जो role रहा आपने अपने father का बताया हमें भी. The influence has been quite strong, you know. What about your mother?
Look, there are 3 persons in my life
Mom.
whose influence I can never say I would have been where I am. My father, I told you,
Yes.
on my personal and professional front, he was my
Yeah.
guru on both the sides. My grandmother, who actually taught me the real meaning of relations, maintaining relations. And my mother, with whom I'm staying till date,
Yeah.
I'm there with her, and I feel blessed that she is there. And like always there to her.
How old is she?
She's in mid 80s. I think age should not be asked for any reason.
I know.
Age should not be asked. She is quite young. She's quite young at heart. Yes, she's quite young at heart. And the fact is, she can talk to you and talk with me on any of the taboo topics also without any hiccups. Yes. Yeah. That is that. But leave aside that. The reality. She is there. She's the backbone of our family.
Yeah.
She's the one who has informed me time and again, पैसे के पीछे मत भागना, एक अच्छा इंसान बनना.
Wow.
कहीं भी ऊपर चढ़ जाओ, कहीं भी आप जाते हो, आप wherever you go to the hierarchy, हमेशा आपके पैर जमीन पे जरूर रहने चाहिए.
Lovely.
If you are able to have number of your real friends, तो आपको virtual friends की जरूरत है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
And like time and again, I know कहीं ना कहीं कुछ गलतियां होती हैं, but she is always there to take care. डांटते भी even at this age I get a good scolding from her, but I enjoy it.
but I think
I like-
the same kind of values you're inculcating in your children as well, your daughters.
Yes, as I always say, and I think you heard it also, I always say values are not taught,
Acha.
these are taught.
Oh, lovely.
These are taught. The way I am behaving with my elders, my daughters will automatically do the same.
Your observation.
On one particular day, if I was having some kind of exchange of words with my mother, my younger one came to me and said, Papa, you are wrong. Go to Badi Mama and apologize. You were not speaking proper. उस वक्त अगर मैं ये सोचूं, एक बच्चा मुझे आके बोल रहा है, but I was feeling, yes, this was the way I wanted my children to be there.
Excellent.
And I think in that way, I try my level best, but yes, we are human beings. We are not God.
Yeah.
We try our level best.
Yes.
Let's see, the rest everything is there. But yes, my mom, my dad, my grandmom, these three persons are there. जिनका मेरी लाइफ में बहुत ज्यादा सपोर्ट है. No doubt, my wife is there.
And we are going to call her very soon.
All right. Okay.
Joining us,
Okay.
because that's the wind beneath your wings and vice versa. And
Okay.
dwell.
नहीं, yes, her role in the present,
Story.
her role in the present day. अगर मैं लाइफ में कहूँगा तो बहुत मायने in my personal. Yeah.
We will know more about that now. So should we just invite her in?
It all depends upon you.
Of course.
But over a cup of tea or coffee.
Let's do that.
Yes.
Hello, Anjali.
Hi,
A
Pooja.
very warm welcome to you.
Thank you.
Dr. S. Anjali.
Thank you, Pooja, for having me here.
Of course, we had to, because we had to see who is the wind beneath Dr. Sanjay's wings.
Oh my God.
You've been a
Oh, wait.
massive support in his journey and where he is today. And I think it's been vice versa,
Absolutely.
isn't it?
Absolutely. Yeah. Without his support, even I could not have reached where I am today.
I love this, you keep acknowledging each other's roles, like how you have influenced each other, how the support has really shaped into becoming who you truly have become. And I think without the family support, we don't reach where we have to, right?
Absolutely. I agree wholeheartedly because right from the time even my children were born, had it not been for the support, I would not have even been able to continue with my career.
I know.
So from that day onwards, if it had not been for Sanjay and Mummy and Papa's support,
Yes.
absolutely I would have not been there.
That's so amazing. And Anjali, your role today as a special educator and also a coordinator. You started your journey as a special educator and then now you're a coordinator at a very prestigious school.
Good.
Would you like to say something about
Yes.
that?
People in Delhi remember it more as Shah Rukh Khan's alma mater.
Exactly.
In fact, some of the boys come and ask me, now, where did Shah Rukh sit?
Are you able to explain that?
No, because the whole furniture is not there anymore.
Yeah.
But yeah, his name is still on the Sword of Honor list
How lovely.
because that's an prize we give for students who get all around achievement.
Right.
So he was good in studies, good in football
Yes.
and drama, which we all know.
Oh, nice.
Yes. So they all
So
aspire to
role model in that sense.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Wow.
There are so many who aspire to, budding stars
Yes.
in the making. So we can just help them along the way.
That's amazing, Anjali. And how did your journey start? Like in your field, I'm saying,
So I started working in the field of special education.
Right.
And actually, I had come to give a workshop in St. Columbus.
Mm-hmm.
And God bless the brothers, Brother Parton. He kept on calling me and he just said, come join. And there's no looking back after that.
Wow.
And all the Christian brothers have been extremely loving, supportive, guiding. And from time to time, I have evolved so much as a human being, as a
Yes.
teacher.
Right.
I did start in special education, but one of my principals said, Anjali, if you're sharing with the select group, I want you to become class teacher.
Okay.
So then I became a class teacher. Then after some time, they said, why don't you become coordinator? And so the role kept changing.
But I'm sure you had all the expertise of that and you deserved a role like that.
I think the brothers did see something and they, gave me the responsibility.
And especially living in the Sharma household, I think it's such, there's so much inspiration coming from everywhere, you know.
Oh, see, my father-in-law, God bless him, he was like the lawyer, and practicing advocate with so much experience. Then my mom-in-law, she was actually a little, kind of a formidable figure initially, till I got to know her better.
Yes. Yeah.
She was a manager in Indian Oil.
Lovely.
God bless both of them. And Papa especially, he said, you take VRS, let her continue with a career.
Wow.
So that was amazing.
Yeah.
Back in the day.
Right.
So without family support, I wouldn't reach anywhere.
I agree. And we are going to dive more into that.
Okay.
Let's get Sanjay also to talk.
Yeah, I'm here.
You ready?
I would be there as a listener. When you two are speaking,
Okay, is it? Is it?
ask her in the life also, in family life, I am there as a listener. Isn't it so?
Amen to that.
But I just heard
Huh?
there was something sarcastic he told you in the morning.
See, we say listener when he listens till the time he doesn't like what he's listening to.
But you both are such an example of, a very strong marriage and bond, I should say. And I've seen you both over the years and the way you have evolved, and brought up your children. Such an inspiration. Where does it all come from? How does that happen? What is the secret of the success of your marriage?
I believe there is no secret of success in the marriage. And I will never use the
You
word.
don't want to share.
Oh, it's not the matter of sharing. But when the people say, marriage is a compromise, that is one word a person should not use. Both have to walk hand in hand.
Right.
And one aspect which we both have agreed upon for the past 30 years, can I use the word 30 years?
Yeah.
No, is around
permission?
Yeah. No, for every aspect, I always seek her permission. Yeah, her highness, should I? But one aspect which we both have agreed upon, look, difference of opinion, that is a normal in every
We
house.
agree to disagree.
We agree to disagree.
Yeah.
But one aspect we both have that we will not take it to the second day. Before going in our room, that particular issue that has to be resolved.
Right.
Strip it out, argue,
Whatever it is there.
casts and, scream.
Yes.
And get out of
Resolve it before you
resolve.
Yes. And most of the time, I agree to whatever she. Yeah.
I'll take that with a rock or salt.
So who's more dominating?
The person on my left side. In Hindus, whenever we are getting married,
Yeah.
Panditji always say the wife has to be the Brahman, left side.
अच्छा हुआ.
And that
जब
big,
फेरे नहीं
फेरे-
Tere ke baad,
बाद में
they tell the
अच्छा
bride to come and sit
sit on
because
the left.
Huh.
Because the big boss has to be there. Like that.
boss. So how do you run the household, big boss?
big boss is here. Sometimes they say the people who are from the back, who unless they are supportive,
Yes.
nothing will function.
Oh, lovely.
So it is the support and, of course, his backing for everything that gets it oiled, moving smoothly.
But it can't be all
No, it's there.
laughters. I'm sure there are some conflicts, but solutions when someone tries to keep how to nip it in the bud.
When to say no, when to say yes.
So choose your battles, right?
Yeah, it's easier to choose the battles and win the war. Let him win the battles.
I love that. Women's empowerment.
I was just saying, whenever she'll be there, I'll be just keeping mum. Let us speak.
That's really lovely.
Then he is surrounded by all females.
Yes, of course. Yes,
He has no choice in that.
I know.
And now with 2 daughters, all the more.
Lovely. So he was telling me that I think there was a situation where your daughter told you, Dadi se jaake baat karo. Kuch aisa hua tha na aapne discuss kiya tha.
Yes. And
He's very wise and intelligent.
also.
वो क्या होता?
Papa ki pari.
Papa ki pari. Oh,
Papa ki princesses. Papa ki pari. Dono.
do you get like, are you okay with that? Or do you get jealous?
No, I'm not jealous at all. Please. I'm more than happy. Go. In fact, even when they were the first few months, the child is born and she cried at night.
Yeah.
The first word which came out was Papa. So I was very
that's
happy
sweet.
to let me sleep peacefully so that, I had to wake up
Did
and
he change nappies and diapers?
yeah, he did. he helped out.
How lovely. Yes. So it's like a partnership, you both have.
Yes.
Yeah. And what is that one thing that really keeps you together, like glued together? Kuch to hoega si.
फेविकॉल का जवाब
Fevicol.
फेविकॉल का जवाब नहीं. What is the secret? Like, what is the secret?
But yeah, both of us are very, home. I mean, we love being at home.
And very family oriented.
Yeah.
What about this trip you're taking now? You're going to Portugal. एक DDLJ वाला लग रहा है तो थोड़ा.
Let's hope so.
अभी वो देखो, it's the future, and what will be.
Planning and execution. There's a lot of things can happen between that.
So many slip between the cup and
For that particular trip, I think in another podcast we'll just
Oh yes, of course. Then I'll have to follow you, na?
yeah, please come.
But you have traveled a lot, both of you together. You love your holidays. You love family holidays. ये कब time मिलता है आप लोगों को? You have such busy, schedules and everything. How do you know that?
But this Europe trip, the first time we went was a family holiday where mummy, his brother, wife, kids, her daughter, everybody went along. Can you imagine? So the brothers started planning from December and we left in June. Look at that. Imagine.
But people give a lot of excuses that we have so much responsibility, job demands. We cannot go for these holidays. How does that happen? How do you put time aside for this?
Should I?
Yeah. Yes, please.
Earlier,
बात के लिए permission? बोलिए.
Earlier, yes, we were not able to devote time for all these outings, etc.
Oh.
It was when the children were quite small or so.
And I think it is a career building phase.
But of late, when we have seen even our daughters say, "Aap dono kahin bahar jao." And like now for the past number of years, we always say, either you kidnap me or I'll kidnap you for a couple of days and let's go out.
Oh.
Yeah, so
We try to make short trips, 2 days, 3 days, like that. It's a kind of rejuvenating. And even I'll just say, my mom always say, बच्चों को मेरे पास छोड़ो, तुम दोनों चले जाओ.
It's lovely. That family support is so important. We were just talking back in the days when there were like 10 to 12 members in your family.
Yes.
There was so much of support, and वो सब अभी नहीं देखने को मिलता है ना अभी Anjali. Like
abhi kya hai na, like see, of course extended family is there, but then people have gone abroad,
right,
and they have all hectic careers.
Correct.
But as and when we do have one family trip a year also, where we all try to, give time and, make a plan so that all of us can be together.
That's what keeps everybody together.
But my younger brother, his wife, his daughter, we always try.
Yes.
In case, because my younger brother's daughter is in States.
Yeah.
Sometimes she's not able to come.
Right.
So like we say, as and when possible, let's make a short trip. Being together under one roof. And like I say it, like as we are saying about the family values,
Yes.
if I always give the respect to my father, I have seen it, my younger brother is always giving a fatherly love, respect to me. And that is still date. And I say it is all because of the bonding. And I pray, I wish, and I say that's what it shows.
Tradition is which, we try to keep up. Like for Diwali, it's at Delhi,
Yeah.
where everybody gets together. And for Christmas, you go to Mumbai. Wow.
That's amazing, this blend of, I would say, traditional values, and you're still very progressive. Both of you are very, very progressive, modern in your thinking. But somehow you also have preserved these traditional values which actually keep families together, right? But आजकल ये देखने को नहीं मिलता है, तो आप क्या advice दे सकते हैं कि how to balance all of that,
Don't demand anything. Don't expect anything from others. Because expectations होती है तो life में ना कहीं आपको problems आएंगी.
Right.
And also respect your partner.
Respect is very important.
Respect your partner,
Right.
not in private, but publicly also. And specifically in a joint family, in your extended family or so,
Yes.
you have to give more respect to your partner, and you have to see the other persons are also giving respect to your partner.
That's right. That's right.
That I feel like some people may take it otherwise, but it's
No, he's very chivalrous. In fact, that's the one thing when I first saw him, when he held open the door and he had his bouquet in his hand, I said, I have to say yes, I can't go wrong.
Gentlemen, we have
Yes.
nowadays, that's Just brilliant. That's really lovely. I love that. So,
While we are talking about these family values, immediately I'm recalling one incident. Like in case we are having some time, if we can share it. My elder daughter, she was going to get admitted in a school.
yeah.
And at those particular time, like today, no interaction, no interviews there. But
Yeah.
at that particular time, interaction used to be there.
Right.
She was being asked, what's the name of your mother? She was 4 years at that time. She asked, which mother? Because then the teacher asked, how many mothers you are having?
Yes.
She said, Badi Mama, Choti Mama.
That's
What's the name of your father? Which father? But I'm having 3 fathers, Bade Papa, Chote Papa, Chachu Papa.
it's a very Indian.
Yeah. And after that, later on, that principal said, those were the 2 questions. After that, we didn't ask anything. These are the aspects we wanted, which should be there.
Excellent. How lovely that is. How lovely that is,
Right now, while you were just asking and saying these things, immediately this aspect came in my mind. Yeah. Yeah.
Amazing. And, sometimes communications break between couples. आजकल तो बहुत देखने को मिल रहा है, in the current generation. So, what do you think? Like, what is the cause of that?
Well, see,
There are understanding?
understanding will come if there's very clear communication. And communication will come if you spend more time with your partner.
So, you have to make an effort.
Make an effort. Absolutely. And see, people are saying me time. Of course, I'm not negating that. But it should be we time also.
We time. That's a new one. That's a new one. People focus so much on we.
Me, they forget the we. And that's what is, I think, causing these misunderstandings.
So it's a constant, effort. Not effort, I would say. Work you have to put in, right?
Marriage is work.
Marriage is work.
And constant work at that.
Yes, of course.
I think along with that, not to judge the other person. Everyone is having their own kind of opinions.
Yes.
One should not think about ki whatever and whichever way I am thinking, the other person has to follow that.
Yes.
Respect that.
Right.
And like we both believe in one aspect, whenever any kind of differences occurs,
Yeah.
don't react at that moment. Just wait for some time. Later on at this particular time, then you come ahead.
You at the training program yesterday, you said when you're angry, don't react and don't make important decisions at that time.
Yes, that is.
इन्होंने share किया.
Yes, yes.
Can you elaborate a bit?
I always say whenever you are in anger mode,
Yeah.
don't take any decision right now at that particular moment. Rather, postpone decision making and enter into 3 C's.
What?
Conversation, consultation, and communication.
Wow.
These 3 C's are there, which will open the door,
Right.
and there won't be any kind of issues. But sometimes while we are angry, हम कई बार कह देते हैं, आज के बाद मैं तेरे से बात नहीं करूंगा, आज के बाद मैंने तेरा चेहरा नहीं देखना.
I think we react at that time.
But later on we repent. Why we use these words? Because when we are in angry mode, sometimes slip of tongue is there and we use certain words which we cannot take back.
Actually, words can never be taken back.
Has it happened between you both sometimes that you have regretted saying something?
I think we should not speak over the mic right now.
Of course.
See, as I said before, there has been, ups and downs, but I'm sure.
But yes, there was one particular experience was there. Experience, I'm using that word. In our 30 years, one incident was there,
Yeah.
which we both repent.
Okay.
We both had a talk with each other that why it happened from my side or why it happened from other side. We both had an open talk. And after that was only incident.
Right.
But that was an eye-opener for both of us. So I believe it is around 14 or 15 years back. Round. But yes, but we have not forget that.
Yes. Because
We always say that should not happen.
that should not
That-
happen. Yes. That's amazing.
Because it is again, the children immediately observes you. As I was just saying, caught. They immediately,
That's true. That's true.
Yeah.
So is marriage also like an organization?
no.
No, it's not. Like how you spoke about anger and stress, the same
That is, yeah, but
in a relationship also, no?
but in the organization, that personal bonding is not there. Because when personal bonding is there, that professionalism goes up.
Right.
myself and my boss, we may be very good friends, but if same friendship goes in the organization, then we won't be able to work in the same manner.
So there will not be any, like a fairness kind of a thing, not integrity. That was it'll always color my decision.
Yeah.
But the colleagues are not friends outside of workplace?
And
Can be.
Yeah.
We would say they are like colleagues still.
Right, right.
Not really friends.
There has to be boundary, right? Professional and
Professional
they have to keep it separate.
friends, acquaintance, and colleagues.
Ah,
These things are their friends. You cannot have your all colleagues as your friends. There may be 1, 2, 3, 4 friends whom you can call even the night also,
Right.
at the wee hours also, and who can call you on your face. You are wrong. You are doing
I
wrong.
would appreciate that, the critic friend,
Yes.
because she's showing you the right path. Because mostly people say, yeah, you're right, you're right. And they're showing you the way to disaster.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So yeah, we have friends, but again, both of us have very few friends. We have loads of acquaintances.
It's better to have quality friends surrounding you.
Like if I say friends, the friend should be like that, upon whom you can rely anytime,
Yeah.
and vice versa.
That's true.
Vice versa.
Yes.
Like while we were going through some rough phase, my father was not well. I was out of town. My brother was out of town. My mom was aware of the fact. She was aware of the fact. Only this is the gentleman upon they can rely upon.
Rely on.
My closest friend. And yes,
And I say with full confidence, he's my best friend.
Oh, that's lovely, Anjali. That's amazing. That's amazing. And again, husband, is your best friend too.
And increasingly, my elder daughter is also one of my very good friends.
Wow.
We bond over a lot of issues. So if you have friendship within the family,
Yes, such a blessing. You don't have to suck at
and what about the younger one?
yeah, also more and more. I don't think
the father is right to you. Papa ki pari.
Baki Pari, yeah.
I know. How lovely. That's really amazing.
Good.
So, Anjali, when we started the podcast, we discussed a lot of important, serious issues.
Oh my.
But now I think we're a little more like I would not say relaxed is the word. You bring that relaxed energy. He brought a lot of motivational, energetic, there was a different aura. And after that, now it's more relaxed. So since we are relaxed, I want to just do like a rapid fire for both of you. I always do it in my podcast. Just like the tradition. So I'm going to ask you questions. Each one of you has to answer. एक question होएगा, पर आपको अलग से answer करना है and you have to answer separately. Okay? Do we start?
All right.
One word या one sentence भी हो सकता है. It's all right. Morning person or night owl?
Night owl.
Morning person.
Dream vacation? Don't ask her.
Venice.
Italy.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, it is there.
I was more attached to one particular place,
Haan.
but she has already selected 5, 6.
Okay, fine. Sweet or savory as snacks? Like in the midnight snacks?
Both.
No. You have to choose one.
Savory.
Sweet.
You're a very sweet person.
That's why I said equal and opposite.
That's the secret. धीरे-धीरे पता चल रहा है what is the secret. Super power. कोई भी सुपर पावर अगर आपको मिल जाए, what you want to become or be or क्या होना चाहिए वो सुपर पावर? Some character, super power character.
Not able to understand.
Okay, then it has to be Sanjay Sharma only. Sanjay Sharma, the Superman. ठीक है?
Superman himself is
Comes to you.
I would like to actually be invisible one day.
Mr. India.
I don't know. Mrs. India.
Mrs. India.
I don't know why.
Mrs. India is here.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And see, and what does he do in the court? Because I've never, witnessed him in action in the court.
God. Okay, granted. Now, if you could live in any one time period, era, कौन सा होता वो? Which time period would you like to live in? Past, future, present? Present तो नहीं हो सकता. Past, yeah.
I would love the time of 90s.
90s?
90s.
Want to go back to that?
No, I cannot. But I still cherish that particular moment.
I have a time machine. I'll give you.
All right.
It'll cost a lot of money.
All right. Though we always say live in the present, but still that particular moment.
Okay, 90s. time?
I would like to go back to the 18th century, I think.
Huh?
When there was no world war, there was nothing, everything was nice.
Wow.
Lovely, lovely. Okay. One advice to new generation. Make it short, just one line.
One line.
Yeah.
Be humble.
Be humble.
Believe in yourself. Something. And you do it.
Great. Daily ritual जो आप करते हो, which you never slip. You have to do every day that ritual. ऐसा कुछ है?
Yes. I always try to spend some time with my mom.
Oh, that's lovely.
And I visit the church every month.
Oh, that's nice. That's very nice. One app you cannot live without.
One app.
App.
One day, if the phone is not with me, I will be more than happy.
The whole phone.
Oh,
What about you?
me, I would have to say it's Uber because it gets me everywhere.
Lovely, lovely. ठीक है. Your favorite song? Hindi, English, कोई भी हो सकता. कुछ तो गाया होगा इनके लिए.
Gaya hoga kya? Still we say.
Oh, that's lovely. Another secret of the success of your marriage. Which song?
Chup tum raho,
वो
chup tum
गाना
rahe.
पड़ेगा अभी आपको. एक लाइन सिर्फ.
उससे पहले कहते तो हम ओम जय जगदीश कह देते वो तो.
वो तो must है. हाँ, नहीं?
My voice is not like singer.
बहाने बना रहे हो, देखो.
Then we can say romantic number is there. जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए.
Okay, I think
That-
that really
that-
applies to both of you. That's amazing. That should be like your anthem. Sharma household का anthem है.
Look, this anthem, when we started our life
Huh.
together,
Hmm.
then it started with chup tum raho, chup tum rahe.
And अभी क्या?
खामोशी.
लेकिन जब कोई बात बिगड़
जब
जाए,
कोई बात
तब कोई मुश्किल पड़ता है.
And
मेरा साथ में.
Oh, हमसे
That-
see how अभी धीरे धीरे आ रहा है. Secrets आ रहे हैं बाहर. What is yours? Which song? The same. Same. Okay. Okay. One thing that makes you smile. I'm sure there are a lot of things, but one particular thing.
looking at Anjali. It is not because of camera. Because it-
That I also know. I also know. What about you?
Different. No, I seeing my daughter smile.
That's a mother, isn't it? Okay. This might be a little controversial. One thing that annoys you about Anjali.
like, well, I'm talking to her and she's looking at her mobile.
Anjali, don't do that ever again.
Oh, see.
What about you?
Me?
She'll say vice versa.
No. He's very punctual where, his work and all is concerned. But otherwise, he's mostly late.
Oh.
During,
Especially when going to in-laws' house.
I love that. I love
I'm
that.
honest.
I love that.
I believe now she has got the opportunity to say this.
आज conflict तो नहीं होने वाला.
Nice.
अगर कहीं इसको edit कर सको तो देख लेना.
Okay, fine. Disclaimer लगा देंगे. Okay, your rapid fire ends now, but the next one is एक word देना है सिर्फ. Only one word. Okay. Love is.
Misha,
Okay, love is.
Honesty.
Honesty. Family is.
loving,
Family is love.
Family is love. Courage for you is what?
say from the core of your heart.
Okay, talking from the core of your heart. Courage is.
Averages. Being support.
Getting support. Happiness is.
Being with the family.
Being with loved ones.
It's amazing. And success is.
Contentment.
Hmm.
That is success to me. It is like excel in the life. Great. But being successful is one aspect. Happiness should be there.
Yes, the contentment.
Contentment.
What about you, Anjali?
Success is, for me, I see him smile. I see my children happy. I see my household running. That is successful.
No, that's amazing. Oh my God, I'm vibrating with such love energy right now. I have to dedicate a song to you.
Please.
So, since I'm a musician and in every podcast, I always speak about my band, which is Triple Harmony. So, Joshua, me, and Jyotsna, we have this amazing band. and we
Excellent.
compose,
Yes.
And we compose our songs.
Yes. I've seen that. Excellent.
But
So when are you coming to Delhi to
we will, please call us.
Yes.
But I have composed a song for both of you. Okay. Seeing your beautiful journeys, the bond you share. and the amazing couple that you were. Just 4-5 lines.
Yeah.
Side by side, you build your dreams. Hand in hand. Now you have to hold your hand. Hand in hand with every beam. You lead with love. You light the way, guiding others each and every day. In your strength, the world will see how you lift us all to be free.
Wow.
This is very nice.
Thank you, Pooja.
Thank you very much. Thank
I
you.
always compose a song for my guests, but not full. But I then continue making
I was thinking we are not guests.
friends of yes. See, but just friends are never composed.
But I would like to have these 4-5 lines also.
Should I complete the song?
I will complete it and send it to you.
So-
Dedicate it to
Yeah.
you, record it, whatever it takes, because your stories, your passion, and the work you both do is such an inspiration. You're such wonderful people. Last words from both of you to our audience. Whatever you want to say, Sanjay.
At this juncture, I just say live your life at present with your loved ones. Be happy, be contented,
Yes.
and always go there with a good smile, not with a grumpy face.
Oh, that's amazing. And you?
I would also say live each day one at a time. Don't really forget, but like live in the present
Yeah.
and believe in yourself, and you will go very well into the future.
You both have spoken amazing words. You both deserve a crown. Some gift. So I'll be doing a crowning ceremony now, which is the tradition at Lumira Nova podcast.
All right.
So I have only one crown,
Uh-huh.
which I'll give to the queen. Thank you.
Definitely. All
But I have a gift for you as well,
right.
which I'll be sharing. Can we get it?
Hmm.
So we'll have a crowning ceremony now for you.
God, this is
Tell me when, okay? Tell me when. Whatever.
Mrs. India.
This is
Wow.
I
Me?
crown you. You are the queen of his heart. You have been inspiration. You are lovely. And I think you deserve the Lumira Nova crown.
Oh, wow. Thank you. Thank you.
Queen Anjali. Queen Anjali.
I like it.
It's lovely. I think we should have a group picture
Yeah.
right now. We all should have this. You're such a beautiful. I think it's okay. We sit. So Anjali, any words for your subject? Oh, that's very condescending. Sorry.
And we are living in a democracy. Yeah? We should not say that. Subjects.
Yeah.
People will be fine with us.
Queen Anjali, what would you like to tell our lovely, lovely audience?
Lovely audience. Thank you, Pooja, for giving me this opportunity to come on your program. And I wouldn't have come at all anywhere near you had it not been for him.
Absolutely.
So thank you. Thank you both. And lovely audience, please remember whatever words were said.
Yeah.
And yes, love is what makes us what we are.
Oh, that's
Truly.
amazing. I have a gift for you as well.
Okay.
And that is the Lumira Nova mug, which says Sip, Shine, Inspire. Thank you, Sanjay, Lumira Nova podcast. And this is my artwork.
Yeah, that is the best thing. That is the best thing. This artwork,
Yes.
even if you would not have given it to me,
Yeah.
I would have asked you.
Oh,
कहीं ना कहीं से उन paintings में से I want it.
कोई भी
That is that. That-
Any artwork you like.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
You're most welcome. What an inspiring journey with Dr. Sanjay and Dr. Anjali. And we will bring you more inspiring stories to inspire you. And this is not the end even for them. This is just the beginning of greater things that they both are going to be doing together. Thank you for being with us. See you next time.
Thank you.